Hello and welcome along to HTML Basics with your host Robert Smith. In this video we're going to investigate the dizzy world of links. Now links are what make the HTML or the internet work, how pages connect to each other from one to the other. And there's a certain way of writing that, like there is anything in HTML. What I've got set up here is a very basic site, extremely basic. I've got 3 pages. I've got the home page or index, the Kookaburra page with a picture on it, and a page with a bit of text about kookaburras. And I want to join these 3 pages together. So let's have a go at doing that. The first thing we're going to do, let's go into code view so the code doesn't look so messy. I'll click in code view like that. What I want to do is I want to link to this page, to the home page. So after the H1 tag here like this, I'm going to press return and I'm going to type in an angle bracket to open it, and then I'm going to use what's called the A tag. It's one you use all the time. That's the first one in the list, so let's just double click on that and I'll press space. Now what I need to do is use something called an Href. Now what that means I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter. I've used it for a million years, and what it does, it creates a link. I'm sure somebody knows what it stands for, but that's it, Href. And once we put that in, you'll notice Dreamweaver's asking us which page do you want to link to, or where do you want to link to. So if I just double click on this browse, and because I've set my site up correctly, Dreamweaver knows we want to work in this site. I'll just go to index.html, I'll click open like that, and then I'll close that tag. Then I'll put some text. Now this is the text that will appear on the actual link. So home page like that, and then I'll shift like this, angle bracket, and close that. Now let's talk about links. Links are a bit trickier than an H1. Like for example, an H1 tag just has a beginning and an end. That's all there is to it. A link, for example, this part here is really in the background, just telling the browser where to go when people click on this home page. So let's see what that looks like. If we go to split view like that, you'll see now we have a blue link, which is a standard non-styled link. You'll notice it's not very stylish. We're going to spend a lot of time styling these links, but right now we have this functional link. So let's go back to code view again and write another one this time. So just press return. I want to go from this page to the Kookaburra pic page. So again, open with a angle bracket, and up comes our A or anchor tag like that. If I press space, now we're looking for the Href, in other words the page we want to go to, and I'll just double click on that to find it. I'm going to go to Kookaburra pic page like that, click open, then I'll close my tag, and this is the text that will appear on the page, Kookaburra pic, picture like that, and then I'll close my tag like I do that using /. Let's look at that. If I go back to design view like this, you'll see, or split view, you'll see now I've got 2 links. Now these links, this thing here and this thing here and the picture, they're all inline. We've spoken about inline in a previous video. They're inline tags. They just want to line up next to each other. Now we can change that with a bit of CSS styling, but right now let's accept that. So I go back to code view and let's do another one. Now let's do it the tricky way. I'm going to just select all of that, Command C, and copy it like that, and just press return. So if you've got many links, this is a quick way of doing it. This time I want to go to Kookaburra text.html, and the text on the page will say Kookaburra text like that. Okay, so there's our 3 links we've just made like that. Let's go back to actually our split view so I can see what's going on. Now we've got 3 links. If you have a look there like this, we've got 3 links. Let's have a look at that in a page, preview it in a browser. Let's preview it in Google Chrome. Fantastic. Let's click on Kookaburra picture, and it takes us to our Kookaburra picture page. But here we don't have any links or any way to getting back to where we came from, so I'll just use the back in the browser to do that. How about the Kookaburra text? Great, it's taken it to the right page, and if we go back, it'll take us back to index. That's great. So now let's go to code view so we can see that in one line. These 3 lines here are our 3 links. Now a quick way of applying those to another page is I'm going to copy them, Command C like this, go to my Kookaburra pic.html, go into code view for that, and after the body I'm just going to press return like that and go Apple V and paste them in and save that file. Then do the same on the Kookaburra text file. Again, this time I might put them at the top just after the body tag. I can put them wherever I like, but I'll just put, for sake of convenience, I'll put them there. I'll go to code view and Apple V to paste them in. Okay, let's go to split view and have a look at that, and we'll refresh our page, and there's our links. Now where they are and what they look like doesn't matter at this stage. Okay, we're going to spend a lot of time making these links look a lot more professional than they do right now. So let's just have a look at this little website we've connected together by previewing Google Chrome. Okay, so here I am on, doesn't matter which page I'm in. As you can see, if I want to go back to my home page, that's fine. I want to go to my Kookaburra text, there it is there. Because all these links are the same on each page, they'll just take us or navigate us through our website. And that's how you make a basic link. So let's just add 2 more ways of doing that. Let's say, for example, that here we are on the index page like this. Let's go to split view, have a look. Let's say we wanted to put a link on one of the words over here. For example, let's say this word Kookaburra here. Let's say we wanted to make that a link, that link to the Kookaburra text page. Okay, to do that, we'll just put the cursor there, shift angle bracket like that, and we want A is what we want. Very nice indeed. Okay, then press space. We're looking for Href, so Href, there it is there. Which page do we want to go to? Let's browse and go to Kookaburra text. Let's open that. That's what we want. Kookaburra text.html. Okay, and then we'll just put our closing bracket in here like that. And after the word Kookaburra, we'll close off the whole tag with that and a slash. So let's have a look what we've got here. There's the beginning of our A anchor tag or our Ahref tag. That's where it's going to go when we click on it, and that's what it's going to say on the page. So let's just refresh that, and there it is. As you can see now, it's a link. Okay, let's just save that and have a look at that in Chrome like this. There's a link there. If I just click on that, it takes us to our page that we want to look for, and we'll go back to our home page. That's great. Okay, one more thing. Okay, again, let's remind ourselves these are relative links, and they mean that these pages are all at the same level inside a well-structured website like we've got over here. If you want to go to a page from another website, that's a different story altogether, and we'll cover that in a coming up video. Okay, let's have a look at this picture. We should have a picture here. We've got a picture of a Kookaburra here. Let's make that a link. If I go to split view and have a look at it, that's the picture of a Kookaburra. I want to click on that and go to my Kookaburra page. So it's the same thing I did with the text here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cursor before the beginning of this image tag and open it up and double click on A like that, press space, then Href again like this, and it's asking which page do you want to go to. I want to go to the Kookaburra pic page. Okay, then I'll close that opening tag, and now I don't have to write anything, because what it is basically this is replacing this part now. In other words, it's going to insert an image. The image is already there, we're just wrapping it inside a link tag like that. So if I just close that now, and let's go back to split view so we can see that. You're not going to really see it in this view, so let's just preview it in a browser. Preview in Google Chrome. Now I can just click on that picture, and that'll take me to the picture of the Kookaburra. Okay, and everything else is working fine. So let's have a look what we've done. Let's go to our home page. Here on the home page we've got 3 links, 1, 2, 3, that take us to different pages within our website. We have a word within it, some text or a paragraph that takes us to another page. It's another link the same as this, and we've also put a link on a picture. Now, in summary, all these are relative links. In other words, these are links that are linking to pages within the same website. That's the key word, the same website. In an upcoming video, we'll show you how to go from this website to another website and how to download things, set a link so people can download files. Okay, thanks for watching.